Welcome to Napa Valley, the ultimate destination for wine lovers, foodies, and adventure seekers. Whether you're here for the world-class wineries, stunning vineyard views, or relaxing hot air balloon rides, this Northern California gem has something for everyone. In this video, we're taking you on a tour of the 7 best things to do in Napa Valley, from must-visit wineries to hidden gems you won't want to miss. So, grab a glass of your favorite wine, sit back, and let's explore the beauty of Napa Valley. Number 7. Snap an obligatory pic in front of the famed Napa Valley sign. If you're planning a trip to Napa Valley, you can't miss one iconic stop, the Napa Valley sign. Located just off Highway 29 in the heart of the valley, it's the perfect place for that obligatory wine country photo. The sign stands tall with its bold letters, surrounded by the lush green vineyards. It's the perfect backdrop to mark the start of your Napa adventure. Whether you're here for the wine, the scenery, or both, this spot has become a must-visit for travelers and wine lovers alike. When you snap that pic, try a few different angles. Maybe include the vineyards in the background, or catch a stunning sunset to make your photo pop. And of course, don't forget to strike your best pose. So, next time you're driving through Napa Valley, be sure to stop and capture the moment. It's a great way to kick off your Napa journey. Number 6. Hop aboard the Napa Valley Wine Train, a journey through time and taste. Originally built in 1864, this historic train is made up of stunning 20th century Pullman cars, offering a romantic and relaxing way to explore Napa Valley. With several journeys to choose from, you can spend the day touring world-class wineries or simply enjoy a midday tea while rolling past endless vineyards. Looking for something even more unique? The wine train hosts exciting special events, like murder mystery dinners, where you can sip, solve, and savor your way through the evening. If you're visiting Napa, the wine train is a must. Climb aboard and experience the valley like never before. Number 5. Hot air balloon adventure. Rise and shine. It's time for an unforgettable hot air balloon adventure over Napa Valley. Your journey begins before dawn, when the air's crisp and the valley is still wrapped in a peaceful morning haze. The crew inflates these massive, colorful balloons, and as the flames roar, anticipation builds. Then it's time to take flight. As you gently lift off the ground, the world below transforms into a stunning patchwork of vineyards, winding rivers, and charming wineries. The sight of the sun rising over rolling hills is something you'll never forget. Up here, it's pure tranquility. No engines, no noise, just the soft breeze guiding your journey. You'll float for about an hour, covering miles of stunning scenery, with a 360-degree view that stretches for miles. As you descend, there's one final treat, a champagne toast, to celebrate this once-in-a-lifetime experience. Because in Napa Valley, every adventure deserves a cheers. Number 4. St Helena, the heart of Napa Valley's wine country. With 6,800 acres of vineyards and over 400 wineries, this is the place to stay if you want to immerse yourself in world-class wine tasting. Looking for a place to stay? St Helena offers charming bed and breakfasts and luxury inns, alongside high-end restaurants and boutique shops that make for a perfect getaway. And there's a touch of history, too. The St Helena Catholic Church, built in the late 1800s, adds a historic charm to the town. Plus, St Helena is home to Napa County's oldest stone bridge, the Pope Street Bridge, built in 1894. But let's be real, you're probably here for the wine. Take a winery tour, sip on some of the best vintages in the region, or enjoy a peaceful stroll around the nearby Lake Hennessy for a break from the tasting rooms. If you're looking for the ultimate Napa Valley wine experience, St Helena is the perfect place to stay and sip. Number 3. Yountville, a picturesque town in the heart of Napa Valley, best known for its connection to the Veterans Home of America. Founded in 1884, and home to 1/3 of the town's population. If you're looking for a place to stay, Yountville offers high-end hotels with world-class spas and upscale facilities, So expect a luxury experience rather than a budget-friendly one. But what makes Yountville a top spot for visitors? Its location. Nestled right between Napa and St Helena, it's the perfect home base for exploring the best of Napa Valley. Once you've had your fill of wine tasting at the incredible wineries just outside town, take a break from the vineyards and visit the Napa Valley Museum to dive into the area's rich history and rotating art exhibits. And for food lovers, Yountville is a culinary paradise. Home to Michelin-starred restaurants like Bouchon Bistro and the legendary French Laundry, this town is a dream for fine dining enthusiasts. So whether you're here for the wines, the food, or the luxury experience, Yountville is a must-visit gem in Napa Valley. Number 2, Calistoga. Just upstream from St Helena, you'll find the charming town of Calistoga, a small but incredibly scenic getaway in Napa Valley. While luxury stays are easy to find, there are also a few mid-range options if you're looking for something more budget-conscious. For outdoor lovers, hiking here is top-notch. Take on the Oat Hill Mine Trail or make your way to Robert Louis Stevenson State Park, where you can hike to the summit of Mount St Helena for breathtaking valley views. And if you're looking for something unique, Calistoga's Old Faithful Geyser is a must-see. It's Napa Valley's own answer to Yellowstone. Plus, with hot springs and mud baths, this town is all about relaxation. History buffs will love Bale Grist, Mills State Historic Park, where you can see a fully restored water wheel-driven mill dating back to 1846. And of course, it wouldn't be Napa without the wine. One of the most unique wineries here is Castello di Amorosa, a medieval-style castle straight out of a fairy tale. So whether you're here for adventure, history, or pure relaxation, Calistoga is a hidden gem that belongs on your Napa Valley bucket list. Number 1, Napa. Napa sits right in the heart of Napa Valley, and yes, you can tell from the name. Staying here puts you in the perfect spot to explore the surrounding wine country. And with the Napa Valley Wine Train, getting around is both easy and unforgettable. But keep in mind, staying in Napa isn't exactly budget-friendly. Hotels here start at mid-range and quickly move into luxury territory. So be ready to splurge a little. But trust us, the experience, totally worth it. Beyond the wine, downtown Napa is a destination in itself. Stroll along the scenic riverfront, admire beautifully preserved 19th century buildings, and indulge in some of the best restaurants in the region. And for the perfect pairing, swing by Oxbow Public Market for some incredible artisan cheese to go with that delicious Napa Valley wine. Napa is elegant, charming, and full of flavor, a must-visit for any wine lover.